Welcome back to Drive USA into USA, and today we're stepping into a world where luxury has no limits. This is not just a car review, this is a deep dive into one of the most exclusive automobiles ever created, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. A car so rare, so custom-built, that only a handful of people on the planet will ever get the chance to own one. The Boat Tail is more than transportation. It's a rolling masterpiece, designed for clients who don't just buy cars, but commission them. Rolls-Royce built this car as part of its coachbuilt program, where every detail is shaped around the owner's lifestyle, personality, and vision. Only 3 boat tails exist worldwide, and each one is completely unique. The exterior design is where the boat tail immediately sets itself apart. Inspired by luxury yachts from the early 20th century, the body flows with elegance and precision. The long hood stretches forward smoothly, creating a powerful yet graceful presence on the road. The shape is low, wide, and unmistakably Rolls-Royce, but with a dramatic twist that makes it feel more like a moving sculpture than a traditional car. The rear of the boat tail is its most iconic feature. Instead of a normal trunk, the back opens in a butterfly-style motion, revealing a custom hosting suite. This space is crafted with fine wood veneers, polished metal, and handcrafted details. Inside, you'll find built-in champagne coolers, bespoke glassware, folding tables, and even parasols, all designed specifically for elegant outdoor gatherings. It's essentially a luxury picnic setup built into the car, something no other vehicle offers at this level. The paintwork and materials on the exterior are finished by hand, taking months of labor to perfect. Each boat tail's color scheme is personally selected by its owner, meaning no two will ever look the same. Every curve, panel, and surface reflects Rolls-Royce's obsession with perfection and craftsmanship. Step inside the cabin, and the luxury reaches an entirely new level. The interior feels more like a private yacht or a high-end penthouse than a car. Premium leather wraps every surface, paired with rare wood veneers that are carefully matched for grain and tone. The craftsmanship is so detailed that even the stitching patterns are chosen to reflect the owner's taste. The seats are designed for supreme comfort, offering a smooth, relaxed driving experience. Everything inside the cabin is tailored, from custom-designed clocks to unique storage compartments created for specific personal items. Rolls-Royce allows owners to personalize nearly every detail, making the interior not just luxurious but deeply personal. Despite its artistic focus, the boat tail doesn't ignore performance. Under the hood is Rolls-Royce's legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine. This powertrain is all about smoothness and effortless power rather than aggressive speed. The engine produces around 560 horsepower, delivering quiet yet commanding acceleration. The boat tail isn't built for racing or sharp cornering. Instead, it offers a calm and refined driving experience. Acceleration is smooth and silent, with the car gliding forward effortlessly. The suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections so well that passengers barely feel bumps or uneven surfaces. Driving this car feels like floating over the road. The top speed is electronically limited, and the focus is clearly on comfort rather than numbers. This is a grand tourer designed for scenic drives along coastlines, luxury city cruising, and arriving in unmatched style. Now let's talk about the price, because this is where the boat tail truly enters a league of its own. The estimated price of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is around $28 million. That makes it one of the most expensive new cars ever created. This price reflects not just luxury materials, but years of design work, hand craftsmanship, and extreme exclusivity. You're not paying for horsepower figures or technology alone. You're paying for rarity, customization, and the experience of owning something that no one else in the world can replicate. This is the type of car that's passed down through generations, admired as a work of art rather than just a vehicle. The boat tail represents the absolute peak of bespoke automotive design. It's a statement of success, taste, and individuality. From its yacht-inspired exterior to its handcrafted interior, from its smooth V12 performance to its jaw-dropping price tag, this car exists in a category completely of its own. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail isn't built to impress everyone, it's built for a select few. And for those lucky enough to own one, it's not just a car. It's a symbol of ultimate luxury. Thanks for watching Drive USA into USA. If you enjoyed this exclusive look at one of the rarest cars on the planet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell us which ultra-luxury car you want to see next, and we'll see you in the next video.